Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, my dear viewers, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing fine and everything is just great at your side. So many best wishes and prayers for all my viewers. May Almighty keep all of us safe and secure. So my dear friends, in this video I am going to show you an amazing design collection of crochet cloths for the dolls. You know that girls, women and all the especially children love to play with dolls. Everyone actually love dolls. If you remember, during our childhood we all loved to play with dolls. Dolls are such a cute thing that every girl in the childhood just loves to have as more as she can dolls collection. These are super cute. These are a beautiful company. Your time can be spent in a very good way with them and you enjoy in their company. Children, especially baby girls, love to play with doll. Even during my childhood, I still remember the things that we used to have dolls, and all my friends that were living in my neighborhood areas all gathered, and we planned the events like dolls wedding, dolls engagement party, or dolls lunch treat, and so many other things. And we actually enjoyed those gatherings, and those all gatherings and all the things are now pretty and sweet memories. And still I smile whenever I recall those memories, and I whenever I go back to my childhood diaries. So having dolls is such a cute thing, and these dolls are so cute. In this video you are actually going to have a collection of dolls dresses, how to dress up your dolls, and how to make crochet beautiful and stylish dresses for your dolls, for your baby dolls, or for someone else who is having dolls, and to gift those persons. For example, so many grandmothers are at home doing crochet all the time because they love to do crochet. They do things in a very beautiful and artistic manner, and they try to make something as a gift to their grandchildren. So if you want to gift something to your grandchildren, especially your baby girls, so you are surely going to have ideas from these, because whenever we talk about baby girls, then having dolls is a must thing about them. And when they have dolls, they must need beautiful, stylish and elegant dresses for their dolls. So if you try to make some beautiful outfits for their dolls and gift them on some special occasions, it would be so cute and a very kind and positive gesture and an expression of love, and they would definitely be loving it. You can see so many beautiful stylish dresses or clothes for your dolls, and these all are looking so cute. I'm just in love with each and every picture in this video because these are so cute that one can't resist loving these, because these are so cute. Some things in the world are so cute that we can't help loving those. So one of them are these dolls. Those are looking so cute and so stylish, and these actually crochet beautiful and stylish outfits or clothes are actually adding to their beauty. Because when we talk about dolls or any other thing like baby girls, even themselves, it is about dressing that makes them prominent. Dressing actually changes the way someone looks. So it's upon you, how do you want to uh, look your baby doll like or your play doll like. So here are so many things in front of you. For example, this one is a cute dress that is making the doll more stylish. So all these crochet dresses are so stylish, and you can get so many ideas from these dresses. I'm sure you are going to love. And my dear friends, if you are liking this video, I request all of you to please hit like, and If you are here on my channel for the first time, please subscribe, and it is very important to press the bell icon so that you may get all the notifications for my new videos. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting me. Your support is actually a very important thing for me, and I am highly thankful to all my friends who enjoy the content and show their love for my videos and express so many positive compliments that increase my confidence, as well as they are a kind of supporting pillar to me. So I am highly thankful to all my viewers who are actually just showing themselves or proving themselves as being the best human beings upon the planet. For example, look at this one. This is so cute. Wow. It is a kind of chef clothing that is making the doll as a kind of chef. And look at this. How cute is it? Everyone would love it, and your baby girl would surely be loving to play with her doll when she sees her in so many cute dresses. And look at this. This one is also very cute, having a very beautiful dress with a cap on the head. Wow, so stylish and so cute. And look at this one. It is having very cute shoes in the feet and a very beautiful skirt, as well as its headband is also so cute. So this dress is also very beautiful, and this one is super cute. Look at the smile, the hair, the cap, the shoes, the socks, and the skirt. All the dresses are very cute in this video. Look at this one. This Barbie doll is looking so cute in this dress, and this dress is actually making her look like so very beautiful, and different kind of look has been added because of this dress. Look at this one. It is also so cute, having a muffler in the neck and having a cap and wearing a cardigan like dress. It is so cute. And this one is also very cute, wearing a button dress as well as a hat, and the white bottom and white shoes is making this doll very beautiful. Actually, as I said earlier, that it's up to the dresses that how things look like. So these dresses are all so cute and stylish. For example, this one is also cute, and look at this. This one is also so cute, very beautiful. A purple or a dark blue colored dress that is looking so cute with black shoes. And look at this doll. It is looking super cute in a simple but so elegant dress, and wearing these white colored shoes is so cute. And you may also love this one, is having a plain dress, but this dress is actually so beautiful because of the flowers on the cap and on the dress. And look at this. You can even note the hairstyle for your dolls from this video. Look at the shoes, look at the dress, all the things like cap and other all things so beautiful. And look at these twinnies. These are also so cute, having the same dresses but in different colors and very beautiful hats. These are plain dresses, but these are so elegant that your baby girl is surely going to love and to dress up her dolls in these dresses, because they are so lovely that everyone would surely love these dresses. This Barbie doll is also looking so cute in a plain kind of dress, but you know, the plain and simple things are actually more stylish than the formal ones, because these are comfortable as well as stylish. Look at this one. It is just height of cuteness. You can see when we say cuteness overloaded, it is an example of that one. And this one is also super gorgeous. Just look at this, and I'm sure you must have fallen in love with this cute gorgeous dress and the doll in this beautiful and stylish dress. And look at this pair. Wow, these are so beautiful dolls, and the dresses are so cute. Not even dolls, I suggest you can also take ideas to make these kind of dresses for your own baby girls, because these dresses are super elegant and super stylish. And because baby girls are as cute as dolls, so they would also look cute in these kind of dresses. Look at this one. It is a different kind of dress and a super stylish cute one. that is making this doll more and more beautiful. And look at this one, it's also wearing a mini purse that is adding to its beauty. Its dress is having a very beautiful color scheme, for example the yellow and the ferozy one. And this one is also so cute, having a basket type mini purse in the hand and a cap on the head. Wow, this is also so cute, having a ribbon on the dress. Look at this, how cute and stylish it is. Its hat is so cute, and the colors in the dress are just rainbow colors. And children, women of any age just love rainbow colors and spring bright colors. This one is also so cute, having the same colored dress and shoes as well as headband, but this same color is so cute. And this one is wearing a very beautiful neck round as well as a cap of green color, and its green color is actually adding to its prominence. And look at this one, wow, its shoes are so cute. Its bottom and shoes are of same color, and its skirts and its hat are of same color, while the frock is of different colors. Look at this one, it's very beautiful color scheme. I think you are also loving this one. It's very beautiful, black and orange as well as green combination. This one having a purple and an off-white kind of color scheme is also so cute, and this is also so beautiful to be made for the dolls of your baby girl. This one is also so cute. Wow, I'm just loving all these pictures because they are just so much cute. These are all so stylish and so elegant. You can even see this. It is so full of cuteness. Look at the hair, look at the frock, the shoes. All the things are so stylish that your baby girl would be loving it. And look at this one. It is having a very beautiful dress and a cap and a ribbon on the shirt. It is also something that makes it elegant, unique as well as stylish. Look at this. This is also wearing a plain dress but so stylish and so cute. I hope you are loving these things. If you